Rice, pasta, honestly, with the sauce is good, it doesn't matter. Let me show you how to make this beef sauce that makes everything taste better. Dry aromatics: ginger, garlic, bullseye chili, minced fine, doubanjiang and sugar together. Now the sauce. Before the heat goes on, 1 shot straight through. Water, 150 milliliters. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. Now stir until it's warm. Look at that color, sauce is ready. Now fire on, hot pan. Oil in, half regular, half chili oil. That's the base. Ginger in, garlic in, bullseye chili. Let them wake up. You know it's ready when your kitchen smells like a street store in Chengdu. The hot tingling cannot stop smelling. That's when the beef goes in. Doubanjiang sugar. This is the moment. Stir until oil turns red. You're not rushing this, you're building the sauce. Now, ground beef in. Break it up. Keep it moving. We want beef to sear in that red oil, not steam. Look at that. Every grain coated. The sauce, all in. Listen to that. Bring it up. Then down to a simmer for 8 minutes. Cover. Let the beef drink up all of that. Open it up. When did that? When the sauce clings to every grain, stop. That's your beef. Let's freeze. Ice cube tray. Smooth the top. Freezer. Then we can use it anytime you need. How many cubes would you freeze? 6 or 12? Tell me in the comments. I'm a super potato fan, so I'd like to combine my spicy beef with it. It's already peeled, diced small, this size. They cook fast, they soak every drop. Then, let's take out the beef cube. As it melts, that sauce wakes up. Smells like all day. It's been 2 minutes. Potato in. Toast it. Every piece gets coated in that red oil. Just enough water to cover. Bring it up, down, cover. 10 minutes. Potato is coming. Look at that. Tender, glossy. When is that? Stop. Rice, pasta, honestly, with the sauce is good, it doesn't matter. Tired of using sauce only with rice or pasta? Want to see what I paired it with? Check out my last video through the link. And tell me your favorite pairing in the comments.